Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Jill, Diesel's in the car, and Sean is at work. And today, we got some parts for Ben. So, let's see what we got. Alright, so Sean ordered the Sasquatch fender flares, and we're going to link them down below. And this gives you an idea about how much wider they're going to be. They stick out pretty far. I do believe, and correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, that these do come with the Sasquatch package. I don't know if you guys can see that. That gives you an idea about how wide these are. And the main point is to just basically just make sure your tires are covered and that road debris doesn't chip your paint. Alright, so the main purpose of the wider flares is not only to have a nice aggressive look, but it's also to make sure the entire tire itself is covered and your vehicle is protected from stuff that it might kick up. That's the whole point of these. And honestly, in the United States, it is law that you have to have your tires covered. I'm just saying. These are OEM. We got these from Stage 3, I believe. And we'll link everything down below. So let me go ahead and just move this out of the way. These are fairly easy to take off. Let me show you. Alright, so these, as you know, they have the clips, the little levers. I don't know if you guys can see that. That little guy right there. So that means it's locked when it's down, and then when it's open, it's like that, or at least straight. You should be able to just pull them all that way. Now there are some clips that are in there that you may need a one of these little dudes for. So we're gonna find out. So this will be my first time putting these on and taking them off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just take all 4 of them off really quick. Well, the remaining 3. Alright, so I'm gonna put a picture up here, and what it's gonna show is how these are labeled on the inside, so that way you can never put these on the wrong side, or if it's on the front or the back. You can't screw this up, okay? So I will put that picture up there, and it's also stamped on these as well. It's just stamped in black on black, so I don't think you'll be able to see it. So I'll take some photos really quick and upload those up here. Okay, so the one good thing Ford did about these They made them super easy to take off, even though you saw me struggle just a little bit, but once you get used to taking things off your car once, you figure it out, and then the second time it's gonna be really easy. So they made these levers right here. So they made these levers right here. That way you can just push them up or to the side, whatever, to lock them into place. That way if you're on the trails and you damage one of these and you happen to have spare parts, because, you know, that's just the way it is. You gotta have spare parts when you're out, you know, trailing. But anyway, if you happen to damage one of these on the trails, you can just flip these off, pull it, slap another one on, lock them in place. It's just that easy. So now that these are off, I'm going to show you the noticeable size difference. This is what was on the car, and this is what's going on the car. You can tell a lot wider, a lot beefier. It's going to look a lot cooler. Line these puppies up in their hole. Make sure all the clips are facing the way that they need to. Okay, so right now I only just flipped the middle one to hold it in place, just to make sure I can get the rest of these in line. And they're gonna make some creaking noises when you tighten them up. That's normal. And give it a tug. And there you go. It's that easy. Look how cool that is. I'm actually going to take you guys off the stand. That way you're eye level with it. Maybe. Look how much better that is. That looks amazing. And it's very easy to install. Anybody can do it. So if you got kids that want to learn about cars, this would probably be like the easiest for them to start on, in my opinion. Because I wish this was out when I was a kid, because I probably would have been a lot further in my automotive career now. And make sure all these are flipped. Why are you being such a butt? Come on, baby. Why are you not securing? You fit right there. What the hell is going on with you? I don't get it. Just wouldn't be in a butt, and I don't understand why. Okay, so here's the problem that I'm having. For all of you that are like, why is she having so many issues doing this? Here's the problem that I'm having. This one right here, will not, if I try and turn it, it's resisting. So there's something going on with this one here. It's not that it won't turn, because it will. It's just when it's mounted up to the vehicle, it has some resistance, and I don't know what that resistance is. You saw me pull it off and everything, and I don't know what it is. All of these other ones are locked into place, as you can see. But yeah, all of these, that one there, that one there, that one there, and that one there are all locked in. For some reason, I just can't get this one here to lock down. So I'm gonna have to have Sean, when he gets home, take a look at this fender flare. Maybe there's something that's wrong with this and we just don't know it. Or maybe there's something wrong with the hole that it's going into and we just don't know. I don't know. So I'm gonna have him just look at it. But it's on. It looks just as cool as the other one. So let's go and try and do the other side, and hopefully we won't have any issues. All right, so they're all open. They can only go on one way. Now that one clipped in. That one clipped in. That one clipped in. That's how it's supposed to go. Maybe after I get these two, I'll just try the other one again and find out why it's being a Delta Bravo all of a sudden. For some reason, it's always the rears that are giving me problems. All right, so let's go back to the other one and find out why that one isn't working. Okay, battery died, so I had to get another battery. And something to eat as well. All right, I'm gonna pull this off again and find out why this is the one that's being a butt. Why are you being such a butt? Finally! It's done. I just had to take a break for a minute. Okay. I don't even know what to say. All right, so we got the last fender flare on. I don't know what was up with it. It was just, I guess I just needed to step away from it and try it again. But it went on, it's staying. It went a lot easier this time for some reason whatsoever, I don't know. But anyway, it's on. They all look great. I think Sean will be very, very happy with how they look. So the best thing to do in that case when you're finding yourself to get frustrated with a part of any sort on a vehicle, just set it down, walk away, and then come back. That way you take a breather. That way you're not tend to break things. We found these at stage 3. And like I said, I'll link it down below because we have tried contacting our dealer here that we're getting our Broncos from, and they said that they were on back order. Numerous dealerships said they were on back order. So stage 3, when we ordered these, they had 14 in stock, I believe. I know it was a fairly high number. So if you're interested in buying these to have the look of a Sasquatch without buying a Sasquatch, that's an option. And they're not, you know, too terribly expensive. They were under $350, I want to say. Yeah, they look really good, a lot better. I already sent a photo to Sean. He's really liking them. at least the one wheel. So he's gonna be really happy when he comes home, I think. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, it's free. Who doesn't like free? Hit the bell. We upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5:30 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. If you want to drop a comment and tell me what you think, do so. If you want to direct message us on Instagram, you're more than welcome to. You can also contact us on the website at www.151garage.com. You can reach us there as well. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.